Okay, Dr. P here, and we have Barb here, and she's 4 years and 5 days out from a left knee repair, not knee replacement program that she underwent. And how are you doing?
I am doing excellent, and there is very little knee pain unless I walk around the pool barefoot or something like that. But I have very, very little pain, if anything.
What was life like before you had this done?
It was a struggle to walk because there was pain every step that I took, and that pain is no longer there.
So what things were you unable to do that you are able to do now 4 years later?
Oh, I couldn't take long walks. I couldn't walk out in the backyard. I couldn't get down and play with my grandchildren. It was just debilitating.
So how did you hear about Victor? How did you hear about this program?
I heard about this program because I have been a patient here for many years for different things, not the knee, and it was brought to my attention of this procedure, which I knew nothing about, and I was all in for it because it was going to alleviate a total knee replacement. This is the road that I wanted to go down.
Gotcha. And so, what advice would you give someone who's kind of on the fence to doing something like that? I know you said that you know, a lot of your friends have never heard of this before.
Right.
So what advice would you give them?
I tell them to look it up and think about it seriously, because it worked for me beautifully, and if it worked for me, it's going to work for other people too. And I was surprised that there were so few people that even knew about this procedure.
Well, you have done a great job. You had to do a lot of hard work, right? And
No.
you did it, and you're still doing it probably. Congratulations, and I'll see you next year.
Thank
We'll
you.
check in once a year.
Yeah, thank
Okay,
you.
Great.
Yeah.